If you want to clean the charging port or USB port on your Realme Note 70T, then here's what you need to consider. So, what you can use. You can use, for example, a toothpick or wooden or bamboo skewer. You definitely want to avoid metal in order to prevent damage, but I'm going to mention that later on in the video. A soft toothbrush can also be a good use. Compressed air, which is optional. If you have it at home, of course, then you can use it. A cotton swab or Q-tip. You can use it either dry or you can very lightly dampen it with isopropyl alcohol that has at least 70%. And of course, a flashlight can also be used in order to take a look inside the port. Now, before you start cleaning the port, you want to turn off your phone completely. You definitely want to avoid cleaning the port when the phone is on. You can use the flashlight, of course, in order to look inside the port and check for lint, dust, and debris. You can gently insert the toothpick or the skewer and carefully scrape out any visible lint or dirt. You don't want to push too deep, you just want to clean the surface. Besides that, you want to brush lightly with a soft and dry toothbrush to loosen and remove more dirt from the inside of the port. If you have the compressed air, you can give a few short bursts while holding the can upright. And optionally, you can lightly dampen a cotton swab or a Q-tip with the aforementioned isopropyl alcohol. You want to squeeze out the excess and then you can gently clean inside the port. Remember to let it air dry before you turn the phone back on. And that's pretty much all. However, I also want to mention what you should not use or what you should not do. So definitely do not use metal objects such as paper clips, needles, and pins, because you can easily damage the port inside. You definitely don't want to use any water. You don't want to blow into the port with your mouth because it adds moisture, and you don't want to force anything into the port. If you use too much force, of course, then you can damage the port inside, and then later on you might have troubles with charging your phone, for example. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.